My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Mercedes V-Class Marco Polo camper. It has done just under 44,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. This is a 4x camper. So within the pop top we have a double bed. We have a double bed here, which you will see from the pictures. We have a fridge, cooker and sink, as well as this foldable table. On the steering wheel we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. And using these buttons here, we can get quick access to navigation, as well as Bluetooth. We have heated seats on either side, as well as parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.